Alright, I can disable the light if I don't need to use it. Hyperlink. Hyperlink give you ability to add the hyperlink or URL page to your button. So if you're gonna click add link and type your website and then add link, it will go to that website when you're gonna click on that button, and it will print you the HTML code with already code that will go to the website if you will embed that code, like so. And this is the website that's selling Cool Button Designer, and if you will buy from this website, I guarantee you that your Cool Button Designer will be 100% safe and clean. And right now it has the holiday discount of $9.99 instead of $14.99, which is the best value you can ever get. And as you can see, Cool Button Designer has some international awards from all those websites, and if you will click on those websites, you will go to those websites and you can see that they stated so. It's not like somebody made that banner, it's just on their page. There is some examples you can play with, but not limited to. And as you can see, it can work on Windows 7, 32-bit, 64-bit, Home Premium, Home Basic, Professional, and Ultimate version. It can work on Vista, Home Premium, Home Basic, Professional, 32-bit, and 64-bit. Also, it can work on Windows XP, Service Pack 2 and higher, on 32-bit and 64-bit. Unfortunately, Cool Button Designer doesn't support Mac OS X yet. So go ahead and get it. It's $9.99 for a holiday discount. And I believe this is unbeatable value. But you can also try the Cool Button version for free by clicking over here. All what it will do, it will create the watermark on a button. And after you're gonna buy a license, it will remove that watermark. Alright, let's get back to a Cool Button Designer. So we just learned how to add the hyperlink. Now we're gonna tweak and add our text, and I would like to have search set, and I would like to make it bold and make it larger, like 12, and I would like to move it like so, and over here I'm going to put the image. And also you can change the color if you want it, let's say to gray if you want it, or let's say I want to white, and when you're gonna put your mouse over, I would like to have it as a gray. You're welcome to do so, like so. So it will give you a look that you're putting your mouse over, like better visual look. You can make a shadow, beveled, engrave, glow, glow beveled, glow engraved, and glow shadowed. I'm just gonna keep it shadowed, so it's gonna give me that more text 3D. And you can see you can play with the position of the and some other basics, colors of the shadow and stuff like this, and also make the text transparency, like by so. You can see it's getting more transparent if you need to adjust so. Okay, so the next is going to be add image, and add image feature comes with Cool Button Designer version 7.0 and newer versions. It doesn't come with the version 6.0 and version 5.5, 5.0. So keep in mind, version 7.0 will bring you a new feature, add image, and this feature will be available for free for all people who purchased the Cool Button Designer earlier versions. Just please check your email, and you will receive the upgrade for free. or you can contact us anytime at mrzmedia.com. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna add image, and I want to add image, and I want to go ahead and add I want to go ahead and I want to add um, search this image right here. As you can see, this image right here has the blue background and it's in PNG format. So and it appears on the button with the blue background. But let's say I don't want that blue background. It just ruined my button. So all what you gotta do, you just gotta go and select the auto, and the program will use its intelligence and will remove the background, one color background from your button. So basically what it will do, it will remove the first left top pixel color from your button. So whatever in that color, it will be removed. So that's how automatic mode works. And there is, you can reset if you don't like it the way it does, and you can set manually what color you'd like to remove from your button, but you need to be very precise, otherwise it's not gonna remove that color. So if you don't know the color, because you can set the values by going define customer colors right here, you can set the red, green and blue the way you want it, RGB. But if you don't know the colors, then what you need to do, you need to click auto. This is the best solution for you. Otherwise, try to use some third-party applications to see what the colors, RGB values that you're looking to remove. Alright, then you can go to the position and click the position wherever you need to have your button. As you can, the image on your button, as you can see, it has the 3 ways of the automatic positions. If you're not happy with those, you can also bring it to a manual, and up and bottom, and you can also zoom out, make it smaller if you need so. And I'm going to zoom out my icon, and Cool Button Designer version 7.0 gives you this unique ability to zoom out your to resize your image on the fly without any third parties applications or programs, which is nice. So you don't have paintbrush or whatever to resize your image. You just can use the Cool Button Designer pre-built it option. And why I'm trying to resize it, just because I'm going to have the reflection of this image for a better visual look. Let me show you in a second. I'm just gonna move Y a little bit higher and X like so, and maybe make it bigger by... Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna bring that reflection like I told you by clicking enable image reflection, and you can see it brought some reflection to our button image right here. And you can control the transparency reflection, the way it's transparent. You can bring it more or less, and you can also control the reflection gradient level. Let's say I would like to have more than half of the button displayed, and as you can see, if I'm gonna adjust it, it's gonna bring more, like so. You can also play with image transparency, the overall image transparency. So by adjusting those values to 255 and make it a little bit more transparent, like so, if you need so. Alright. Also, let's say if you did not select mouse over state and mouse press state images for those statements, Cool Button Designer will make it automatically for each state for you. But if you will go ahead and select individual images for those, it will basically use every single image for every single state. Let me show you what I just meant. Let me go ahead and bring this one right here, and right here you can see mouse over state at the 100% and mouse normal state at the around 70%, which is this brings you a nice animation like so, and it's nice, good looking button, as you can see. So you can also like play with your imagination and bringing a better looking button, a visual to your button when people gonna press on your button, or to put the mouse over. You can make like that animation look like, even if it's not based on 3 PNG graphics, it still will look like animation. Alright, so you got an idea. And same thing for mouse press state. You can let me just go ahead and just put this guy right here, just to demonstrate you, and like that, and press green. Alright, it was just for demonstration purposes. Alright, so you got an idea, and this is the new feature for Cool Button Designer version 7.0 or newer versions. Thank you so much. My name is Alexander Moroz, and today you just watched a video tutorial about Cool Button Designer version 7.0, which will work for any versions of Cool Button Designer uh, starting after version 7.0. So it's going to be version 7.0 or newer versions. And please go ahead, and I encourage you to try it from www.MRZ Media website. Just search for it. Just Google for Cool Button Designer, come to official website, download the trial. It's 100% clean, like I said, and I give you my word. So, and clean, no spyware, adverse, whatever. It just pure clean software that will work on Windows XP 32-bit, 64-bit, Windows Vista 32-bit, Windows 7 32-bit, 64-bit. Thank you so much. My name is Alexander Moroz, and have a nice day. Good luck with your cool buttons. Bye bye now.